Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to remove the door panels front and back of the 96 2000 Honda Civic. So let's jump into it. Place your fingers on this plastic cover and pull it towards you. Now do the same thing to the door panel. Now gently pull the electronic power window controllers and turn it sideways. Pull the plug while holding the pin that unlocks it. Do the same thing for the on-off controller. Put the controller in a safe place. To open the speaker cover, you simply put something behind and push it just like I did, using the car keys. Now, with a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 6 screws. There are 3 screws on the speaker, 2 on the door handle, and 1 on the doorknob. You simply unscrew the screws. Now slightly push the doorknob to the right. There you go. To undo this lock, you will need another screwdriver. You simply push the plastic lock and ta-da! It's done. It's easy. For me, it was a little difficult because I was handling the camera at the same time. Now use your finger to pull the aluminum handler up. Very easy, right? The next step is to pull back the panel towards yourself. There will be a few clicks while you do that. Now you pull the door panel a little bit upwards so it will be totally free from the door itself. Be careful with the wires. If your speaker still has the original plug, you can simply unplug it right here. Just to show you guys my attempt to soundproofing years ago, I've used some sort of peel and seal, just like dynamo. Actually, the sound got a lot better. Now for the back door, you simply do the same thing as you did in the front door. Pull the plastic cover, pull the back window controller, unplug it, simply push the lock and pull it. It's very easy. You also have to unscrew the doorknob screw. Do the same steps as you did before. Push the doorknob towards the right, undo that plastic lock, and it's off. Now you simply undo the 2 screws, and as before, you pull back the door panel towards you. There will be a few clicks as before. Be careful with the wire. And ta-da! It's done! To put it back, you just follow the steps backwards, okay? I've cleaned it years ago and now it's still very clean. Was it a cool video or what? My YouTube channel, it's not monetized, so I ask you please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, okay? If you have a 96 2000 Honda Civic, I still have a lot of videos that it's for you. Thanks for watching and please share my channel with others. Bye for now.